Hello to my 8th and ninth graders. We begin week 5. I just want to remind you to keep up with this throughout the week. It will really help you. It'll save you time. It takes a few minutes to watch the videos, but it'll save you time in the end. And it saves time in the video because I can get into deeper stuff because you got the basic stuff that I'm teaching you in these lessons. So yours is 2 pages this week. It's not as long as it looks. However, I am going to divide it into 4 sections. So the way we label sections is measure 1 is A. It's the first thing we hear. And if you notice in measure 45, it's that part again. So I put an A over top of that. So your B section starts in 17. Why do I know this? Because it says leggero. It just looks different. Remember, leggero means jokingly, playfully. And then we have a C section, which starts in measure 29. How do I know that? It looks different, and it says dolce e con garbo, so we have a different style. And then finally, they change. They would actually call it like an A with a 1 next to it, but I called it a D section. Starting in 56, that's when it starts to get different than your beginning. So you will have 4 videos this week. What I'm going to do today is, hopefully this won't take too long, I'm going to take you through my rehearsal of your first section A. So from 1 to 17, I'm going to play it once slurred, thinking about right notes and rhythms. I'm going to play it slurred again, thinking about my tone, and if my tone's good, I'm going to add dynamics. I'm going to play it a 3rd time, and I'll add my articulation, which is a little different than the Pratt system, but that's okay. It's good to change it up sometimes, right? So I would only do a phrase at a time, so I'm going to go up to the 8th note rest, rather, in measure 3. Okay, so now I'm going to add my dynamics. Now I'm going to add my tonguing. Next phrase. Now I'm going to do it again, nice and loud. Lots of vibrato. Now with tonguing. Then you go back and add it to the beginning. Next phrase. Again, playing it loud. And tonguing. So I'm going to mark in there. Every time I struggled on my E's to get a good tone on the piccolo, so I'm just going to mark on those E's. Next time when I come back and it's easier to kind of focus on that tone from the beginning. Then I would start there, and I would do the same thing. I would go up to the next 8th rest, then do the next section, then go back to measure 9, so that I do it in kind of 2 sections. So I would have 1 through 8 really good, and then 9 through 16 really well, and then put that all together at the end. So good luck, and I will see you at the next video. Bye.